Hi everyone, I will show you how to add a call, text or email button to Instagram profile. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the edit profile. Now tap the contact option and you can add here your Gmail and add your business number. After that you can on the option of the display contact and tap the tick icon. Now go back to your profile and you can see my email and my phone number. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.